Hello designer, welcome to 3D design. Today we are create this mechanical part as per sizes showing. Let me tell in detail about this drawing. Okay, this outer this is 18. The inner there is a two hole. It is the 16. Okay, the hole center to center. And then 56. Okay, there is one rib 12 with there's also one slot here. So 10. Okay, this base also thickness is 10. This is 10. Also, this is 10 thickness. Okay, there is a two. There is the two circle, 20 and 30 dia. Okay, this is the width 40. This is the length is 32. Let's start drawing. Continue drawing to full sketch. Okay, go to top plane, sketch, go to slot, take center slot, draw one slot from origin. Okay, draw two circle from here one and other side one. Okay, what is my dimension? It is 16. It is 16. Yeah, okay. Select this and that one with control. Okay, equal. Okay, go to dimension. This length, this whole center to center, it is 56. 56. Okay, this is this is 18. 18. Okay, fully defined. Okay, let's see the sketch. 56. This is the center, and this is 18 outer radius, and its inner hole is 16 there. Okay, then we make this is the slot 10. Okay, and this from here to head hole center also 30 to 20 and 30. First of all, we make one hole 20 and 30. Go to Solidworks. Go to Solidworks. Go to circle. Go to circle. Go to circle one and other one. Go to smooth dimension. It is 30. Okay. Go to smooth dimension. 20. This one 30. Okay. Go to line. Go to line and draw line from here. 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 Okay. Go to smooth dimension. Here and here. This 40. It's 40. Okay, let's make construction. The construction geometry. Okay. Now we'll select this line, midpoint. Okay. Select the origin. Vertical. Okay. Also select one line. Make origin. Select this point and this line and that point. Symmetric. Make symmetric. Okay. Okay. And this one, this and that circle tangent, this and that circle tangent. Okay. Now this whole, go to my dimension. This is the point, center one. Okay, this point and this face. It is 32, I think. It is 32, yes, it is 32. Okay. See, start drawing. It's 30, 20. This is the 30, 20. Okay, 32. This is 32. And this is 40. This is 40. This one 56, 56, 18, 16, 18, 16. Okay. Now we have one remaining. This is the 10. We have go to rectangle, one rectangle from here to here. Okay. This my dimension it is 10. Okay. Our sketch fully defined and also our sketch complete sketch finish. Our sketch is finished. All. Now we will make extrude base. Okay, remaining only this one. We will make later this one. Let's go to extrude boss base. First of all, we make this is the 10, right? The 10. Click OK. Sorry, edit the future. This whole select this and this circle. Okay. This 10 I make. Okay. Again, go select sketch. To browse base. Now we will select this how much 32 I think this 32 right go 32 here. Okay, select again scale same case is to browse this and select this. Sorry, select this. It is how much? It is also 10 from this face to here 10 we make. Okay, from this face to down 10. What we will do now, select this surface plane, face plane, this, and direction opposite. Okay, divide the direction, it is 10. Okay, I can select this sketch, extrude boss base. Now you have remaining the hole only, I think. The hole from this face and that face from the 10. Okay, from this face side is from here to 10. Okay, see the from the this face is just from the hole. Okay, what we'll do same, the surface is plane, select this, we are start from this face. Okay, now we put the side from here to up 10 to go to bend. There is a one option offset from the surface. Okay, select this and make 10 reverse. Okay, okay. See, our design is almost finished. There is one only remaining. Okay, see, this one also finished, this is finished. Only remaining the rig. What you do now? Go to right plane, page, go to line, draw one line from here to here. Okay. Okay. Go to future, go to the command. This 12. Okay. Okay. Alright, so it is so looking awesome, and that's all for this tutorial, guy. I hope you like. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more video.